Eating bananas is a common daily habit. But did you know there are mistakes many of us make that reduce our health benefits? Bananas are more than just a quick snack. They're loaded with essential nutrients like potassium, fiber, and vitamins. Although their popularity, improper storage, poor timing, and wasteful habits can prevent you from fully benefiting from this amazing fruit. Let's find these common mistakes and learn how to avoid them. Mistake number 1. Eating bananas. Too green. Some people prefer eating green bananas for their firmer texture, but this can be problematic. Underripe bananas are harder to digest because they contain more resistant starch, which can result in bloating or discomfort for some. Also, green bananas haven't fully developed their nutrients or natural sweetness. It's best to wait until bananas are fully yellow with a few brown spots. At this stage, they are easier to digest and taste better. Mistake number 2. Throwing away overripe bananas. Conversely, many people discard overripe bananas, assuming they've gone bad. In reality, these bananas are sweeter and richer in antioxidants. Instead of tossing them, use overripe bananas in smoothies, baking recipes like banana bread, or even as a natural sweetener in oatmeal. They're perfect for creative recipes and help reduce food waste. Mistake number 3. Storing bananas incorrectly. How you store bananas affects their freshness and taste. Refrigerating unripe or yellow bananas can stop the ripening process, leaving them with a rubbery texture and darkened skin. To keep bananas at their best, store them at room temperature in a cool, dry place. If they ripen too quickly, you can refrigerate them to slow further ripening. Mistake number 4. Storing bananas with other fruits. Bananas produce ethylene gas, which speeds up ripening. Storing them with other fruits like apples or avocados can cause everything to ripen and spoil more quickly. To avoid waste, keep bananas separate from other produce or store them in an open area where air can circulate freely. Mistake number 5. Eating too many bananas. Bananas are a healthy snack, but overindulging can lead to problems. They're high in potassium, which is crucial for heart and muscle health, but too much potassium can strain the kidneys, especially for people with kidney conditions. A medium banana has about 105 calories and provides 12% of your daily potassium needs. Mistake number 6. Ignoring the peel. Most people throw away banana peels, not realizing they are palatable and nutritious. Peels contain fiber, vitamins B6 and B12, magnesium, and potassium. While they do not taste raw, you can blend them into smoothies, fry them, or add them to baking recipes. Mistake number 7. Eating bananas at the wrong time. Consuming one on an empty stomach can cause discomfort due to its natural sugars and acidity. Pairing a banana with protein or healthy fats, like yogurt, nuts, or nut butter, can balance your blood sugar levels and keep you full longer. Timing your banana intake can affect how your body processes it. Mistake number 8. Ignoring sourcing. Lastly, it's easy to overlook where your bananas come from. Conventional banana farming often involves unethical labor practices and environmental harm, such as soil depletion and biodiversity loss. Choosing organic or fair trade bananas supports sustainable farming and fair wages for workers. Avoid these 8 common banana mistakes for maximum benefits. Pick ripe ones for digestion, use overripe ones wisely, store them right, and eat in moderation. Remember the peel's nutrients, pair it with other foods for steady blood sugar, and choose ethical sources. Enjoy bananas healthily and sustainably. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.